If you're an investor hunting for the next big win, you know the feeling. That mix of excitement and nerves as you scan the markets, looking for the next opportunity that could change your financial future. Maybe you're a seasoned trader with years of experience, or maybe you're just starting out dipping your toes into the world of stocks and cryptocurrencies for the first time. Either way, the question on everyone's mind is the same. What should I buy now? Is it time to make a move, or should I wait for a better entry point? In this chapter, we're going to break down some of the most talked about stocks and cryptos on the market right now, giving you the insights you need to make smarter decisions. Whether you're looking for long-term growth, quick gains, or just want to stay ahead of the curve, you'll want to hear about these picks, because some of them might just surprise you. For anyone who's ever felt the thrill of catching a stock just before it takes off, or the sting of missing out on a crypto moonshot, you know that timing is everything. But timing isn't just about luck. It's about research, strategy, and understanding the stories behind the tickers. That's why today, we're diving deep into a handful of stocks and cryptos that are making waves, each with their own unique story, potential, and risks. So grab your notepad, open up your favorite trading app, and let's get started. First up, let's talk about Eyenovia, ticker symbol EYEN. This isn't your average pharmaceutical company. Eyenovia is on a mission to revolutionize eye care with cutting-edge technology. Imagine a world where eye drops are delivered with pinpoint accuracy, minimizing waste and maximizing effectiveness. That's what Eyenovia is working on. Smart, microdosing devices that could change the way millions of people treat eye conditions like glaucoma, dry eye, and even nearsightedness. Their technology isn't just about convenience, it's about improving patient outcomes and making treatments more accessible. The company has already secured key partnerships and is moving through clinical trials, which means big news could be on the horizon. If you believe in the future of personalized medicine and innovative healthcare solutions, EYEN might be a stock worth watching closely. Now, you might be wondering, what sets Eyenovia apart from the competition? It's their focus on precision and patient experience. Traditional eye drops can be messy, hard to use, and often result in wasted medication. Eyenovia's microdosing technology aims to solve these problems, delivering just the right amount of medicine exactly where it's needed. This could be a game changer for patients and doctors alike, and if the company's clinical trials continue to show positive results, we could see a major shift in the eye care industry. Of course, as with any biotech stock, there are risks, regulatory hurdles, competition, and the ever-present challenge of bringing new medical devices to market. But for investors with an appetite for innovation, EYEN is definitely one to keep on your radar. Let's shift gears and talk about the world of blockchain and crypto, where innovation moves at lightning speed and fortunes can be made or lost overnight. One project that's been getting a lot of attention lately is SEI, ticker symbol SEI. SEI is a next-generation blockchain designed for speed, efficiency, and scalability. In a world where every second counts, especially for traders and decentralized finance (DeFi) users, SEI's promise of ultra-fast transactions and low fees is a big deal. The team behind SEI is focused on building infrastructure that can handle the demands of modern trading, from high-frequency transactions to complex smart contracts. If you're tired of waiting for slow confirmations or paying sky-high gas fees, SEI could be the solution you've been looking for. But what really makes SEI stand out in a crowded field of blockchain projects? It's their commitment to user experience and developer support. SEI isn't just building a fast blockchain, they're creating an ecosystem where developers can easily launch new apps, traders can execute orders instantly, and users can interact with DeFi protocols without worrying about delays or high costs. The project has already attracted a growing community of supporters, and as more decentralized applications launch on the SEI network, we could see its value and utility increase dramatically. Of course, as with any crypto investment, there are risks, competition from other blockchains, regulatory uncertainty, and the volatility that comes with the territory. But for those who believe in the future of fast, efficient, and user-friendly blockchain technology, SEI is a name to watch. Now let's talk about a couple of newer names in the crypto space, CLANKER and Syrup. These projects are still in their early stages, which means they come with a lot of uncertainty, but also the potential for outsized returns. CLANKER is positioning itself as a utility token for a new wave of decentralized applications, aiming to create a seamless experience for users and developers alike. Syrup, on the other hand, is focused on yield farming and DeFi rewards, offering innovative ways for users to earn passive income by providing liquidity or staking their tokens. Both projects are generating buzz in online communities, but it's important to remember that early-stage cryptos are inherently risky. The teams are still building, the products are evolving, and the markets can be extremely volatile. If you're considering an investment in CLANKER or Syrup, make sure you do your homework, understand the risks, and only invest what you can afford to lose. The appeal of these newer cryptos is clear. Get in early, ride the wave, and potentially see massive gains. But with high reward comes high risk. These projects are still proving themselves, and there's no guarantee they'll succeed. The teams behind CLANKER and Syrup are working hard to build communities, launch new features, and attract users. But the road ahead is uncertain. If you're the type of investor who loves the thrill of the unknown and isn't afraid of a little volatility, these tokens might be worth a closer look. Just remember, the crypto market can be a roller coaster, so buckle up and be prepared for the ride. Speaking of DeFi, let's take a closer look at Liquidity, ticker symbol LQTY. Liquidity is a decentralized borrowing protocol that lets users take out loans with zero interest. Yes, you heard that right, 0% interest. Instead of paying high rates to borrow against your crypto, Liquidity uses a unique system of collateral and stability pools to keep things running smoothly. This could be a game changer for anyone looking to leverage their crypto holdings without getting crushed by interest payments. The protocol is fully decentralized, meaning there's no central authority calling the shots, and it's built to be resilient even in volatile market conditions. If you're interested in DeFi lending and want to explore new ways to put your crypto to work, LQTY is definitely worth a look. But as with any financial product, it's important to read the fine print. Liquidity's system relies on over-collateralization, which means you need to lock up more crypto than you borrow. There are also risks related to price volatility, liquidation, and smart contract bugs. The protocol has been audited and is widely used, but no system is completely risk-free. Still, for those who want to maximize their capital efficiency and avoid paying interest, Liquidity offers a compelling alternative to traditional lending platforms. As DeFi continues to grow and evolve, protocols like Liquidity are pushing the boundaries of what's possible in decentralized finance. Next, let's talk about Maple Finance, a project that's bringing real-world lending to the blockchain. Maple Finance is designed for institutional borrowers and lenders, offering transparent on-chain loans to businesses and crypto projects. Think of it as DeFi for grown-ups, serious capital, real-world impact, and a focus on responsible lending. Maple's platform allows vetted borrowers to access funding without the red tape of traditional banks, while lenders can earn yield by providing liquidity to loan pools. The project has already facilitated millions of dollars in loans and is expanding rapidly. If you're interested in the intersection of traditional finance and blockchain technology, Maple Finance is a name you'll want to keep on your watch list. What makes Maple Finance unique is its focus on transparency and accountability. Every loan is recorded on the blockchain, so anyone can verify the terms, track repayments, and see how funds are being used. This level of openness is a big step forward for the lending industry, which has traditionally been opaque and slow to innovate. Maple is also working to expand its offerings, including new types of loans and partnerships with other DeFi protocols. As the platform grows, it could become a key player in the emerging world of decentralized institutional finance. But as always, do your own research and understand the risks before jumping in. Now, let's turn our attention to Aptos, ticker symbol AP. Aptos is a next-generation blockchain platform focused on scalability, security, and developer-friendly tools. The team behind Aptos includes veterans from some of the biggest names in tech and crypto, and they're aiming to build a blockchain that can support the next wave of decentralized applications. With its unique consensus mechanism and focus on parallel execution, Aptos promises faster transaction speeds, lower fees, and a more robust infrastructure for developers. If you're bullish on the future of Web3 and believe that blockchain technology will power everything from finance to gaming to social media, Aptos is a project you'll want to keep an eye on. What sets Aptos apart is its commitment to building a developer-friendly ecosystem. The platform offers powerful tools, extensive documentation, and support for multiple programming languages, making it easier for developers to launch new apps and services. Aptos is also focused on security, with rigorous testing and auditing to ensure the network is resilient against attacks. As more projects launch on Aptos and the ecosystem grows, we could see increased demand for the APT token and new opportunities for investors. Of course, as with any emerging technology, there are risks. Competition from other blockchains, regulatory challenges, and the need to attract a critical mass of users and developers. But for those who believe in the long-term potential of blockchain, Aptos is a project with a lot of promise. And now, for something a little different, let's talk about meme coins, specifically dogwifhat, ticker symbol WIF. If you've spent any time on crypto Twitter or Reddit, you've probably seen the memes, a dog wearing a hat, a community rallying around a fun and irreverent token, and wild price swings that can make or break fortunes overnight. Dogwifhat is the latest in a long line of meme coins that capture the imagination of the internet, blending humor, community, and speculation into a potent mix. While meme coins are often dismissed as jokes, they can sometimes generate real value, at least for those who get in early and know when to cash out. But let's be clear, meme coins are some of the riskiest assets you can buy. Their value is driven more by hype and community sentiment than by fundamentals or utility. Prices can skyrocket on a viral tweet and crash just as quickly when the hype fades. If you're thinking about investing in WIF or any other meme coin, make sure you understand the risks and don't invest more than you can afford to lose. For some, meme coins are a fun way to participate in the crypto community and maybe make a quick profit. For others, they're a cautionary tale about the dangers of speculation. Either way, approach with caution and keep your sense of humor intact.